PowerPoints are boring. Wait, the way you do PowerPoints are boring. I know somebody fell asleep on your last one. I'm about to show you how to wake them up with eye-catching PowerPoints, scroll stopping social media carousels, and clean landing pages that people actually want to land on. This AI tool is Gamma. I'm Cece. Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. Now let me show you how it's done. I have this PowerPoint by Ashley Johnson that I found on the internet, and I just wanted to show you an example of a typical PowerPoint presentation. It looks really good, right? It's not too bad, but it's average looking, and I want to pump it up with Gamma AI, and I know I can do it. So I'm going on the Gamma website, and I'm going to click on upload a file. So now I'm uploading Ashley Johnson's PowerPoint presentation. She did a great job. Don't get me wrong. She did an awesome job. But I want to revamp it. I want to take it up a notch. Okay, so let's check it out. So now Gamma is famous for their PowerPoints. And now watch how they do this. Okay, so now I'm going to pick out what I want. I would like to generate a new PowerPoint, and I'm checking it. I'm definitely going to have it in English. And as far as material, I'm going to keep it detailed because it's about real estate, so it needs to be detailed. Also, I'm going to change the color. I want something real estate, very expensive looking. There you go. The gold and white gives it a really glamorous vibe to it. Okay, so now images, I'm going to do the AI images. All right, let's give AI a chance. Now, what type of AI images? I'm going with the ultimate, the 4 Ultra. That is like the AI images, okay? So I'm going to use that because I want really good top quality images. And the format is going to be a presentation because this also is a PowerPoint, but I want to just take it to the next level. Whoa, look at the PowerPoint presentation, everyone. Oh my goodness. And look, it's doing it like right in front of your face, right before your eyes. Look at the gold and white. Even the borders are gold. The words, everything has that gold and white vibe to it. Oh, I love it. And now, some of these pictures that they kept, I'm going to change out. Okay, they just gave it a beautiful background. Some of the words and borders are changed to gold, but we're going to take it up a notch, okay? Now we're going to change up some of the photos. Look at this. See, and it gives you a little outline. Look, you're going to do add a card. You could do this. You're going to do that. So now we're going to change some of the images to AI. So it tells you what you want. Yes, I want to replace an image. And it gives you a prompt so that it looks at the image that you're going to replace, it prompts what it was about, and it regenerates a new one for me. And I'm telling you, look what I'm talking about. This is how you give a PowerPoint presentation. This is how you keep people alert and just responsive to your PowerPoint presentation. You're not trying to put people to sleep. Look at this. This is professionalism. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. This would keep people interested in what you have to say. Look, they even did the goal with oh my goodness, with the graphs. And I love how the words of the links are all gold. Look at that. What a difference. What a difference you can do. So your old PowerPoints that you've been making for school or for work, please stop it. Please stop those boring PowerPoints. If you're not using Gamma, shame on you. Let's get our PowerPoint presentation. Let's take it up a notch. Come on now. That was the standards back in the day. This is the new generation. This is how we're doing it now. This is how I want to see PowerPoints. I sit through so many PowerPoints all day long, and it's boring. Okay, I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it 100. If you're not using Gamma PowerPoint presentations and you're not using Gamma to up your presentations to your school or to work or to your boss or to whoever you're doing it for. Shame on you, because you're putting people to sleep. Now we're going to make a landing page, okay? Now you've seen how I did the PowerPoint presentation. It pretty much did everything for me. So watch how this one is done with Gamma. Okay, so I press web page. I go on. I'm going to put in leading page for a content creator who's a fitness coach promoting his services. Okay, so now we're actually doing a website. We're going to do the landing page. Look how the outline came out in less than a minute. Look how beautiful the outline is. So now I got to gather how the visuals, how the theme is going to look for the website. Okay, I'm going with red and black. I think those are strong colors for a fitness instructor. All right, so yeah, let's go with the red and black right there. All right, so now I'm going to have some images. Now, the first one I did with the presentation, I did AI generated images. This time I'm going to do stock photos. Okay, so something different, different for the website. Remember, this is a fitness influencer. He offers his services. We need to put a website together for him. So watch how quick you can have a website. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Okay, okay, Coach Alex. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. Oh my goodness. Right before my eyes, as seen and trusted by. Practically almost did the whole website. Look at the landing page. Tell me Coach Alex is not going to get customers now. He's ACE certified too. All right, now I see you. Look how beautiful the landing page came out. Look at, I challenge you. Look how beautiful. And you can put in, you can switch out pictures. You can switch out whatever you want. Look how it looks on the tablet. Look how it looks on the tablet. It is so beautifully created. Now look at it on the phone. I am about to redo my website over again because this was mind-blowing. I love this. So professional. And that was done in less than 2 minutes. So it will take all your information, you feed it in, you prompt it, and look what it created. It can create a whole actual website for you. I just showed you the landing page, but it can create an entire website for you in less than 5 minutes. Gamma got you. Right? Gamma got you going. I'm telling you, that is how you put together a landing page. Bravo. Okay, so now we're going to create and generate a carousel for social media. Look, I clicked on social. I'm going to do 6 cards. It's going to be square because it's going on Instagram. And it's going to be build a social media carousel for a nail technician promoting her business. Will show beautiful nail art on each slide. All right, so now there's the outline. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Look at this. I love it. Now I'm going to pick a visual theme. I'm going to go pink, Malibu. All right, I love it. So now we got the Malibu theme going. It's going to be all pink. And now it is putting together the words, and then it's going to create the visuals. Look at all that beautiful. Oh my goodness. It came out really, really nice. So think about it. No matter what you're trying to promote on Instagram, you can use Gamma to show your skills, show what you have, promote your product, promote your skills. Look how beautiful the nails are. So for a nail technician, this is ideal. Look how beautiful it came out. And now I'm going to put this on my Instagram page to show you how the carousel will look. You see how nice that looks? Okay, first let's check it out, full screen. All right, that is actually beautiful. Wow, look at the classic French tips there. I love the rhinestones. That is beautiful. Ready for gorgeous nails? I love it. Now I have it on Instagram. Check it out on Instagram. You see the carousel? That was fantastic. So now you can make social media posts. You can promote your product, your service. You can also do websites with Gamma. You can do it all. I'm telling you, got that landing page we did? Come on. And do, oh my God, presentations, PowerPoint presentations. Come on, get your life in order. Use Gamma. That was just fantastic. And it took me less than 2 minutes to put a social media post together. I'm actually going to be using it for something else. I gave you that example about the nails for a nail technician. Check my Instagram post tomorrow. I'm going to be using Gamma and I'll have something up. I just came up with an idea just now. I love it. Gamma just did it again. If you're juggling a million ideas like I usually am, Gamma makes it way easier to bring them to life. I'll drop the link in the description. Check it out and see how it can help you create faster, cleaner, and with way less stress. Definitely worth a try if you're in that hustler mode. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Gamma. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.